Welcome to our housing market update for September 2024. The National Home Value Index rose by just 0.5%, marking the 19th consecutive month of increases, though growth has slowed significantly compared to last year. Housing demand continues to outstrip supply, but the balance is stabilizing. Melbourne's listings are 30% above the 5-year average, while Perth and Adelaide are 40% below, highlighting regional supply differences. Mid-sized capitals are leading in capital growth, with values increasing by 1–2% monthly. Sydney's growth has slowed to 0.3%, and cities like Melbourne and Hobart have seen declines in home values recently. Affordability is improving in Melbourne and Hobart, but high interest rates and living costs may curb growth in mid-sized capitals. More affordable markets continue to outperform, with the lower quartile rising by 2.7% recently. In the unit market, growth in unit values has surpassed houses in 5 of 8 capitals. As demand shifts to lower price segments, values at the affordable end are holding up well. August saw changes in median dwelling values, with Adelaide and Perth surpassing Melbourne for the first time in years. This shift is due to rising values in Perth and Adelaide and falling values in Melbourne. The rental sector shows relief for renters as rent growth slows. The National Rental Index remained unchanged in August, with Sydney rents declining for the second month, indicating a broader slowdown in rental growth. The slowdown in rental growth is influenced by declining net overseas migration and increased household sizes. Investor loans rose nationally, but construction challenges continue to support rent and purchase prices. Sydney's housing market remains positive, with values rising 0.3% in August. However, growth has slowed significantly from last year's peak. The rental market may be entering a downturn, with rents falling for 2 consecutive months. Looking ahead, modest value increases are expected through 2024, supported by a persistent supply shortage. The RBA highlights labor and material competition as ongoing challenges in the construction sector. Tax cuts and energy rebates are boosting household finances, but this may not lead to increased home buying. Consumer sentiment improved slightly, but sentiment towards dwelling purchases continues to decline. Affordability remains a challenge, with a significant gap between affordable purchase prices and current median values. This gap is likely to drive demand towards lower-priced markets and homes further from key amenities. As we enter the spring selling season, sellers should be aware of varied market conditions. Some markets, particularly in Victoria and Tasmania, are seeing a rise in listings, affecting local buying and selling dynamics. Buyers and sellers should consider local conditions such as property availability, time on market, and auction clearance rates. These factors will influence price movements and market strategies in the coming months. Stay informed with our blog for ongoing updates on the housing market's developments. Understanding these trends will help navigate the complexities of buying and selling in today's market. Thank you for joining our housing market update. We hope this information helps you make informed decisions in the property investment. Stay tuned for more insights and updates in the future.